Well, I have to fabricate a board, so we're going to go through the motions of prepping the board. That's cleaning it. We'll do a couple alignment holes, cut the board to size. I'll do the toner transfer method. I'm going to use both an iron to get it down initially, and then use a laminator to finalize it. It's a double-sided board, so I'll do one side at a time, etch, bring it back, transfer, and then etch again. Let's see, what else is there? Next PCB is sponsoring the video, so thanks for that. After this board is completed, I'll probably see if they can, if they'll have it fabricated for me. I want to verify that the board actually works first before I have it sent out to a fab house. So, and we'll see the results. Hopefully everything works out. All right, stay tuned. Here we go. Let's go to work, right? This will be the last pass. What I plan on doing on this board to get the alignment just right is to, after soaking this in water, I want to peel the paper off. I want to mask off the opposite side so it doesn't get etched. Put some alignment holes so I can hold the board while it's etching, and when it's done etching we can continue on the other side of the board. There's a couple things I want to clean up. I want to dry the board pretty well, because Sharpies don't like getting wet. You pretty much touch a drop of water with it and it's shot. So I'm going to do some quick cleanup on the board, which is very difficult to do under the camera. I just want to get some of these lines out. I can't even see them. There's a dot right here. Other than that, this thing is fine. I don't even know why I needed to do that, but I did. Now I need to mask off the rest of the board. I was gonna mill the board off, but it's so thin. That's so much quicker. So can't beat that. Right? Sometimes you get a bent corner and you can just put it right back in place. It's fine. I'm going to tape off the other end and drill a few alignment holes, and we'll start etching. I have this lined up so I don't drill into the bed. Right. Not going to do that either. It's too slow. I'm going to do that again. Just fine. Even that was too slow. The alignment holes is important. I'm just going to clean this up. And that's all we need. Time to etch. And here's our tank. Come on. I don't have good lighting, do I? Alright, you'll have to take my word for it. Here we are. That almost etched through right here, but it'll come out just fine. It'll be a little thin, but it's fine for our purposes. It'll be fine. Let that dry. Where are we? Just like so. Let's see what we got. What did I do? I forgot to remove that. That's got to come off because if I don't, it will melt itself onto the laminator. Well, that came out all right. I did etch that away, didn't I? I think I did. Yeah, it looks like I did. So I gotta patch that up after it's done etching. Whoops. Oh well. It's the nature of the beast, I suppose. No, it's my fault because I didn't seal it well enough. Oh well. Nothing we can't fix. Let this dry for a second before I put a Sharpie to it. You can see this side, there's a lot of the streaks from before. Those fell through. So I want to clean that up. I don't want that throwing off the ground plane at all. This uses the LM380 audio amp, which is It's a finicky component. Old design. So, yeah, I have a another variation of this board without that amplifier, which I want to do. However, first things first, I want to make sure that the other main components on there work first before I even play around with the amplifier, because that's just one section of the board, and I need to verify that everything else that I want to do is going to work. And that's not that important to me right now. It will be, but not this time. So I have quite a bit of touching up to do here. Just want to make sure that ground plane gets through. Easy. And that's a wrap. Now what I need to do is mask this side off and try not to let that happen again. That was my fault. I was really not being too careful with it. So let's see if we can get it perfect this time. No air bubbles. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea. No, it would be a bad idea. I was thinking of putting it through the laminator. I need to put a kill switch to the heater so that I can do a cold lamination. That would help with that. That might be my next upgrade on that thing. Yeah, this looks good. I don't know what is it with this phenolic. Is it phenolic board? It didn't even seem like it cut like regular typical fiberglass. It's so dark. Don't know. Okay, I'm ready to etch again. Alright. That side's etched. Let's clean this up. It's close enough that it'll work. Boy, that adhered really well. What? Anyway, so that should do that. Now it's time to drill some holes, and I'm gonna get lunch. So that'll be part 2.